Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kung umaga nyo napapanood ang video natin na ito. At magandang gabi naman kung gabi nyo napapanood ang video natin na ito. Sinasabi, information can change the situation. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo, baka di nyo pa alam na nandito na sa lugar natin ang AIA or American Insurance Assurance PhilAm dati. Ito'y may magandang products ng investment at life insurance. Pero ang pinakamagandang products na i-share ko ngayon sa video na ito ay ito lang dalawa muna. Ang AIA A+ Signature at AIA Med Assist. Imagine a future where your legacy of love and security lives on, no matter what life brings. With AIA A+ Signature, you can ensure that your family's financial future is always bright. Ipagpatuloy ang iyong pagmamahal at pangangalaga sa iyong pamilya kahit na hindi ka na nila kasama sa pamamagitan ng AIA A+ Signature. AIA A+ Signature, brought to you by American Insurance Assurance, offers a plan that grows with you and your loved ones. Choose a fixed amount value of 500,000 pesos or even 1 million pesos and fee comfortably over 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years. Ang AIA A+ Signature mula sa American Insurance Assurance ay nagbibigay sa iyo ng opsyon na pumili ng fixed amount value na 500,000 pesos o 1 million pesos at bayaran ito ng komportable sa loob ng 5 taon, 10 taon o 20 taon. But it doesn't end there. Starting at the end of the 6 years, you'll receive 10% of your fixed amount value, and again at the 8th year, 10th year, and every 2 years thereafter until age 100. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Sa pagtatapos ng ika-6 na taon, magsisimula kang makatanggap ng 10% ng iyong fixed amount value. At muli sa ika-8 taon, ika-10 taon, at bawat 2 taon pagkatapos noon hanggang sa edad na 100. Life is full of uncertainties, but with this plan, you can turn concerns into confidence. Should the unexpected happen and you pass away at 80, AIA makes sure your family is not only secure but thriving. Your beneficiary will receive 200% of your fixed amount value. Kung sakaling umabot ka sa edad na 80 at pumanaw, makakatanggap ang iyong beneficiary ng 200% ng iyong fixed amount value. At patuloy pa makakatanggap ng natitirang 10% na payouts hanggang sa ikaw ay umabot sana ng edad na 100. And here's the best part. Those continuous 10% payouts you will receiving, your beneficiary will continue receiving them until what would be your 100th birthday. This ensures your loving touch extends across generations. Ang EIE E-Plus Signature ay isang plano na hindi lamang para sa iyo, kundi para sa kinabukasan ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Siguraduhin ang kanilang kaligayahan at seguridad. Join countless others who have secured their family's future with EIE E-Plus Signature, because protecting their tomorrow means shaping our today with wisdom and care. Kunin na ang EIE E-Plus Signature at gawin itong bahagi ng iyong legacy, dahil ang tunay na pagmamahal ay walang hanggan. Secure their dreams today and always with EIE E-Plus Signature. Siguraduhin ang kanilang mga pangarap ngayon at magpakailanman sa EIE E-Plus Signature. EIE Mid Assist. Life is unpredictable, but peace of mind doesn't have to be. Ang buhay ay hindi tiyak, pero ang kapayapaan ng isip ay dapat mayroon ka. Introducing EIE Mid Assist, your ultimate partner in health and security. Here's why you should choose EIE Mid Assist for complete protection and support. Ipinakilala ang EIE Mid Assist, ang iyong ultimate na katuwang sa kalusugan at seguridad. Narito kung bakit dapat piliin ang EIE Mid Assist para sa kumplitong proteksyon at suporta. Benefit number 1, hospital bill coverage. With our health card, getting admitted to a hospital has never been easier. Simply show your card and receive prompt medical attention. When your hospital bill reaches 100,000 pesos, you only pay 10% of it. And with PhilHealth, you might end up paying nothing at all. Sa aming health card, mas pinadali ang pagpasok sa hospital. Ipakita lamang ang iyong card at agad makakuha ng medical na atensyon. Kapag umabot sa 100,000 pesos ang iyong hospital bill, 10% lang ang babayaran mo. At kasama ang PhilHealth, posibleng wala ka ng babayaran. Benefit number 2, hospitalization daily income benefits. If you're confined for an extended period, we've got you covered. For instance, if you're hospitalized for 30 days, you'll receive 1,000 pesos per day, totaling 30,000 pesos. This cash benefit helps you cover your expenses while you're unable to work. Kung ma-confine ka ng matagal, sagot ka namin. Halimbawa, kung ikaw ay nagtagal sa ospital ng 30 days, makatanggap ka ng 1,000 pesos bawat araw. kabuuan ng 30,000 pesos. Ang benepisyong ito sa cash ay makatulong sa iyong mga gastusin habang hindi ka nakapagtrabaho. Benefits number 3, waiver of premium. In case of permanent disability, EIA Mid-Assist ensures that you don't have to worry about your insurance premiums anymore. Your premium payments will be waived, allowing you to focus on recovery. Sa kaso ng permanenteng kapansanan, tinitiyak ng EIA Mid-Assist na hindi mo na kailangang lalahanin ang pagbabayad ng iyong insurance premiums. Wala ka nang babayaran upang makapokus ka sa paggaling. Benefit number 4, life insurance cash payouts. And most importantly, EIA Mid-Assist provides financial security for your loved ones. If the unfortunate event of your passing, your family will receive cash payouts from your life insurance coverage. At ang pinakamahalaga, nagbibigay ang EIA Mid-Assist ng financial security para sa iyong mahal sa buhay sa hindi inaasahang pagpanaw mo. Makatanggap ang pamilya mo ng cash payouts mula sa EIA as your life insurance coverage. Choose EIA Mid-Assist for comprehensive coverage, financial support, and peace of mind for you and your family, because your health and security matters.